What is that? You fat ass. What? What is that? What is it? There are two eyeballs looking at me. Look at those eyeballs. What is that? You fatto. You fatso. What is it? What is that thing? Ow, don't pick on me. What is that? What is that? What is it? Look at, there's two eyeballs looking at you. Oh yeah? You like it when I play with your fat? That's what the friends are making fun of you. Look, they're looking in the window at you. Yes? They're looking at that. You better put it away. You better put it away. Don't even. I see what you're doing. I don't want to see it. You better put it away. You better put it away. Here it comes again. It's right there. It's going to knock you off. Uh-huh. There it is. Uh-huh.